In this video, I'm going to show you how to do free transform in Photopea. First, open your Photopea project and make sure the layer you want to work on is selected from the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. To access free transform, click on the Edit menu at the top left of your screen, and from the drop-down menu, select Free Transform. You can also use the keyboard shortcut for faster access in the future. Once free transform is enabled, you will notice control points appearing at the corners and edges of your selected layer. These points allow you to resize, rotate, and adjust the layer freely. If you switch to another layer and return, the control points will disappear. To have these transform controls visible at all times, first select the Move tool from the left-hand toolbar. Then, at the top of your screen in the Options bar, check the box labeled Show Transform Controls. Once enabled, any layer you select will display the control points automatically. Free transform has many practical uses. To resize an image, click and drag the corners of the layer using the control points. You can also drag the edges to adjust the size, but if you want to constrain the transformation to only horizontal or vertical adjustments, hold the Shift key while dragging. This will ensure that only the side you are adjusting changes size without affecting the other dimensions. Similarly, while holding Shift, you can drag the edges in other directions to maintain precise control over the scaling. You can also skew your layer to achieve a distorted effect. On Windows, hold the Control key, and on Mac, hold the Command key while dragging the edges of your layer. This allows you to skew the image in any direction while maintaining control over the proportions. Additionally, while transforming, you will notice numeric values appear at the top of your screen. These numbers allow you to set specific coordinates, width, height, and rotation for precise adjustments. You can unlock the aspect ratio icon if you want to set different width and height independently. There are also fields to enter skew values horizontally or vertically to customize the distortion further. Photopea also offers a warp option in free transform. By selecting warp, additional control points appear over your layer, allowing you to curve, bend, or manipulate the image freely on the canvas. You can move these points to adjust the shape and appearance exactly as needed. Once you are satisfied with your adjustments, click the checkmark icon at the top of the screen to apply the transformation. And this is how you can free transform in Photopea.